Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video we are going to learn one more topic in Typescript. It's called typecasting. Sometime we need to cast one data type variable into another data type. So how we can do this typecasting in Typescript, that we are going to learn here. We have two types of symbols to use typecasting in Typescript. For example, we have a variable name and I just put here a data type unknown, and here I just initialize some value, for example. Now we are just having a redeclaration problem, so for that we just export like this. So we have a variable name that is the unknown data type. So this is unknown data type. Now I want to convert into a string and I want to find out the length of the string. So how I can find out? Just I say console.log, then I say name as string. As keyword is used here for typecasting, and we are converting this name from unknown to string, and then after converting a string I call a length property, we call it, and I try to execute it here, and I say node Typescript, you see 60. So number of characters as string. Similarly, we can do typecasting by using one more symbol like that. What I do, I just use string, diamond symbol, string, and I say name dot length. So same we can achieve like this way. You see, we have this diamond symbol, under this we have a data type, then length. If I save this and again I execute, so both have a same result. So we may have a typecasting like this. So we convert this unknown to string by two ways, by using as keyword and by using these diamond symbol and passing a data type here. Now we try to convert a string into number. So we have num1 equal to 16. Here let num2 equal to 20. Now we try to convert this. So we say let sum equal to, we say num1, we convert into number, try to convert this number into number. You see, we are having a problem, we are not able to convert into the number directly. So here we pass unknown. Now we try to convert other number also, unknown num2. You see that we having a problem here. So now we try to convert this whole into number. So we say as a number, try to convert it. Again we try to convert this also as a number. So this is gone, but we are not able to convert this. So we type it here any. Now we convert this any to number, we try to convert it, but still we would not be able to display the right answer. So we say sum equal to, then we say sum, save this. You see it's concatenating the numbers, not doing addition, it's just a concatenation. So still we are not able to convert it into a number. So it's not possible like this to typecast a string into number. So this conversion or typecasting is not sufficient as we require, but we can convert this unknown to string. And if I specify here a data type, suppose unknown, then we try to convert it into a number. This is unknown. Then from this unknown data type, I want to convert it into number. So I say number, I remove this, then again I remove this, and I type here number, then I save it. Now I try to do, again we having a concatenation. So we are not able to convert into this. Now we try to convert this into a string, unknown to string. Now from string to number we want to convert. So still we are not able to convert this. You see that we not possible. So that's all in this video about typecasting. If you learn something, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.